Grand Theft Auto V is an action-adventure game developed by Rockstar Games, set in the sprawling fictional city of Los Santos, which is based on real-life Los Angeles. Released in 2013, GTA V quickly became a cultural phenomenon, praised for its open-world design, engaging storyline, and vast array of activities. The game allows players to explore the vibrant world of Los Santos and its surrounding areas, from urban streets to picturesque countryside, all while engaging in a range of missions and side activities. One of the key features of GTA V is its innovative storytelling, which centers around three protagonists: Michael DeSanta, Trevor Phillips, and Franklin Clinton. Players can switch between the three characters, each with their own unique backstory, skills, and motivations. The intertwining stories create a dynamic narrative filled with heists, high-speed chases, and action-packed sequences. The game's multiple perspectives offer a fresh approach to storytelling, allowing players to experience the plot from different angles. In addition to its engaging narrative, GTA V offers an incredibly detailed and immersive open world. Players can partake in a variety of activities, such as buying properties, customizing vehicles, playing sports, or engaging in illicit activities like bank heists. The game also features a wide range of vehicles, weapons, and customization options, ensuring that players have plenty of freedom in how they approach the game's challenges. The online component of GTA V, known as GTA Online, further extends the game's longevity and appeal. GTA Online allows players to team up with friends or other players in a shared open world to participate in missions, races, and heists, or simply engage in various activities like robberies, property management, or car customization. The ever-expanding content updates keep the online community engaged, offering new missions, events, and in-game items regularly. With its compelling story, expansive world, and endless gameplay options, GTA V remains one of the most popular and critically acclaimed games of its generation. Whether you're playing through the narrative-driven single-player campaign or enjoying the dynamic multiplayer experience, it provides an unforgettable gaming experience that continues to captivate players around the world.